it takes too long to type everything out. So have baking paper, add your oil and spread it on so it doesn't stick. Boiling water over your apples to take the wax off and then wipe them dry. Vinegar, half a teaspoon of that. Food coloring, 2 teaspoons. Sugar, 2 cups. So take the stem out and then take your wooden skewer and stick that right in. Then that was what I've got now. Half a cup of boiling water into a pot, 2 cups of sugar, and let that boil for a bit. Then only stir in the beginning. Add your half a teaspoon of vinegar and then stir one more time. Let that boil. Do not stir. Ice water is used so you can just check when it is ready. 2 teaspoons of food coloring and let that boil. If you feel like you need to stir, just use the handles and shake it along the side. When it's ready, dip your apples in and you are ready to go. Let the rest of it just drip off for a bit and then lay them down nicely. To check if your sugar is ready, take the ice water and dip a toothpick in it to see if it has that crunch. If it does, your sugar is ready. If not, let it carry on a bit longer. Enjoy! Oh, they look amazing. Oh, last thing, don't keep it on the heat. And that's me eating it.